Hey everyone, this is Gargi and today we are going to talk about eyebrows. So if you have ever struggled with uneven, light, scanty eyebrows and you want to groom it so it looks natural, then this video is for you. So I have been asked so many times how I do my brows. So girls, here is the process. So we'll be starting with the eyebrow pencil. This is Max Factor Brow Shaper. So you can see the tip of the pencil is very thin, and I like to use this type of thin, so the line what I made, it not very starky and not very dark, and I can blend it very easily. Now with the pencil I just make a outline. So this is a guideline actually that helped me to define my brows properly, so it will not go here and there, and both the brows will look similar. So after outline my brows, I will start filling it with LA Girl brow pomade. So again, for now I will take very little amount of product in my brush and I will start filling it from my arch. I use a angular very thin brush. You can use any brush. So once I fill the brows, I will go back to my pencil which has a spoolie on it, and I will use the spoolie to blend the pomade on my brows. I'll just stroke upward direction. When I have filled my brows and I brushed it out, it looks like this. For next step, I will use a brow mascara. So I love this mascara because it has a fiber in it and it helps my brows to look fuller. At the same time, it's creates some hairline stroke when I use it to upward direction. Now, if you have done any mistakes and your brow, your feel or anything gone outside of your line, you can use a Q-tip. Sometimes I do mistakes and I want to correct it. So in that moment, the Q-tip is very helpful and it makes my brows look defined, and whatever the mess around I had made, that cleared it out very nicely. And here is my finished brow look. You can see the matching of the both brows depending upon practice. So practice makes perfect, so you have to keep on practicing. Here is a one pro tip. So if you feel your brows become very stark and very dark and you want to lighten it up, so what you have to do, you have to take a spoolie and you have to brush it out until you feel this intensity is good. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep on practicing. If you need any help, you can reach out to me by mailing or DMing me. Details are in description. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. See you on my next video. Till then, bye.